fix you are currently not connected to any networks error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Run Network Adapter Troubleshooter. The Network Adapter Troubleshooter in Windows is a built-in troubleshooting tool that can help diagnose and resolve problems with network adapters on a Windows computer. Method 2. Restart your network adapter. Method 3. Change to Google DNS. Google DNS, Domain Name System, is a public DNS service offered by Google that aims to make the Internet faster and more secure by providing users with faster and more reliable domain name resolution. Method 6. Perform a network reset.